we are going to solve some sort of problems based upon linear equations, solutions of the linear equations using the stepwise method. So here in this case, let us perform two examples under this section, in which the first one is of example number 1. Here, given that x is equals to 3 is the solution of the equation which is x square plus 4x plus a is equals to 0. So here x is equals to 3 is the solution set of this equation, x square plus 4x plus a equals to 0, whereas here a is unknown, x is already given as 3 as the solution set. So we have to find. So find the value of the unknown, that is a. So now the solution starts in this manner. So here x square plus 4x plus a equals to 0 is the given equation. The one of the root or the one of the solution of this equation is of x is equals to 3, in which a is of unknown actually. So here x degrees of 2, it consists of 2 roots, but here one of the root is given, one of the solution set is given as x as 3. So here by substituting x as 3 in it, we can find out the unknown, which is a. So now here solution, in our solution x square plus 4x plus a is equals to 0 is the given equation, in which x is equals to 3 is the solution set, but x is equals to 3 is the given solution set. Then it must satisfy the given equation. Since x is equals to 3 is the given solution, so when we replace x by means of 3, it must satisfy the given equation. So at x is equals to 3, so I am going to replace this 3, that is by means of x, in this equation, that is x square plus 4x plus a equals to 0. Then that implies x must be replaced by means of 3 here. So since it is the root or the solution set, so in the place of x I am going to substitute this 3, but whole to the power of 2 plus 4 into x replaced by 3 again, but plus a is unknown, let us write a as it is equals to 0. 3 square value is of 9, 3 3s is of 9, plus 4 into 3 is of 12, plus a equals to 0. That implies 9 is of positive and 12 is of positive. These two are the like terms, plus 12 and plus 9. Plus of plus is plus. You have to add up. 12 plus 9 is of 21. So 21, to assess the sign of this 21. Among 12 and 9, 12 is greater, the sign is of positive. Then plus a must be copied as it is. Then that must be equated to 0, which is on the right hand side. So in this manner I got plus 21 plus a equals to 0. Whereas then a equals to, so here 21 is on the left hand side, plus 21, when it is transposed to the right hand side, it becomes minus 21. So we got this step by transposing LHS, that is left hand side quantity, to right hand side quantity. So based upon this reason, so here I got a is equals to plus 21, 21 is on the left hand side, when it is transposed to the right hand side, it becomes minus 21. So in this manner I got a as minus 21. Therefore, so unknown quantity, that is a, is equals to minus 21 is the solution for the first problem. Then let us go for the next example, that is example number 2. So in this example, let us solve x minus 3 divided by 5 plus x minus 4 whole divided by 7 is equals to 6 minus of 2x minus 1 whole divided by 35. there are of two algebraic expressions on LHS. So x minus 3 by 5 plus x minus 4 by 7 is there, and on the RHS 6 minus of 2x minus 1 divided by 35. These two algebraic expressions are separated by means of the symbol equal to. So in this equality the variable is of only 1, which is nothing but x. So we have to solve for x. So now the solution starts. The given equation is of x minus 3 whole divided by 5 plus x minus 4 whole divided by 7 is equals to 6 minus of 2x minus 1 whole divided by 35 is given for us. By utilizing this equation, we have to solve for the unknown, that is variable, which is x, which must satisfy the entire equation. By taking LHS on, so by taking LCM on the LHS, so 5 into 7 is of 35, so the LCM is of 35 on the LHS. So here LCM on both sides it is of 35, here also divided by 1, we can write as 1 and 35 LCM is of 35, and 5 and 7 LCM is of 35. Overall, I mean LCM on both sides is equals to 35 on both the sides. So now LCM is of 35, numerator is of x minus 3, I have written the numerator as it is, then now 5 number of times. So here denominator on the first fraction is of 5, then now 5 7s are is of 35, which is the LCM, plus numerator in the second fraction is of x minus 4 written as it is, into 7 is the denominator of the second fraction, 7 number of times 7 5s are is of 35, which is the LCM. Then that is equals to, for 1 and 35 LCM is of 35, numerator is of 6 copied as it is, into 1 35s is of 35, because 1 is in the denominator of the first fraction, 1 35 times is of 35, which is the LCM, minus the bracket is of 2x minus 1 written as it is, into 35 denominator of the second fraction, 35 as LCM, 35 number of times is of 1s, 35 once is of 35. So on both sides the denominators are of 35 and 35. When the denominator by 35, when it is transposed to the other hand, it will multiply and it will come in the numerator. We can cancel 35 and 35 in order, instead of cancelling and transposing, so we can directly cancel up what I say in the denominator is 35 ones and 35 ones. Instead of transposing 35 on the other hand and cancelling, so within one step we can cancel the denominators, because the denominators are of same in order and same in number, 35 ones on the left hand side and 35 ones on the right hand side. So in this manner I got, that implies x minus 7 into x minus 3 into 7 plus x minus 4 into 5 is equals to 6 into 35 is of 210, 35 6 is of 210, minus of 2x minus 1 is of 2x minus 1. Now I am going to remove the brackets, that implies, so here 7 must be multiplied with this binomial 7 into x first of all, and then 7 into 3. Similarly 5 into x, then later I say 5 into 4. Then now we get 7 into x as 7x minus 7 into 3 as 21, 7 3s are, plus 5 into x as 5x, plus of minus is minus, 5 4s is of 20 on the LHS. Then that is equals to 210 is of positive written as it is. Entire bracket I am going to remove the brackets, so here signs inside the bracket will be changed, or in other words minus into 2x is minus 2x, minus of minus is of plus this 1 as it is. Then now I am going to write all the like terms together. So by further simplification on the LHS, 7x is of positive and 5x is of positive. So simplifying like terms, that is 7x and 5x, plus of plus is plus, we have to add up 7x plus 5x is of 12x on the LHS. So among 5 and 7, 7 is greater, sign is of positive, need not write. Then now here minus 21 and minus 20 are of like terms, constants, minus of minus is plus, we have to add up 21 plus 20 is of 41. To assess the sign among 20 and 21, 21 is greater, so sign is negative, so we have to attach minus sign here. Then now that equals to, then now here 210 is of positive and 1 is of positive, so here these two are like terms. So plus into plus is of plus, we have to add up 210 plus 1 is of 211. So among 1 and 210, 210 is positive, so sign is of positive here. Then now minus 2x, only one variable, say none other variable, I am going to copy minus 2x as it is. Whereas in the next step, variable on the left hand side is of 12x, then one more variable is x on the other hand with minus 2, that is minus 2x. I am going to transpose, or I am going to write the variables on one side, that is on the LHS. I want to transpose minus 2x on the left hand side as plus 2x. I want to transpose minus 41, which is on the left hand side, to the right hand side as plus 41. So in the next step, 12x, when 2x minus 2x is transposed to the left hand side, it becomes plus 2x. Then minus 41 is on the left hand side, when it is transposed to the right hand side, So already 211 is there, then now minus 41 on the other hand, it becomes plus 41. So I got this step by transposing LHS and RHS terms. So by transposing LHS and RHS terms, where I got 12x plus 2x is equals to 211 plus 41. Then as the next logical step, 12x is of positive and 2x is also positive, plus into plus, these two are like terms, we can simplify further. Plus into plus is of plus, let us add up, 12 plus 2 is of 14x. Among 12 and 2, plus is the sign for the 14x. So here 12 is greater than 2, so its 12 is of sign is of positive, so associated sign is of plus. Then that is equals to 211 is of positive symbol, so 41 is of positive, plus into plus is plus. For further simplification, we have to add up 211 plus 41, so 252. So here to assess the sign among 41 and 211, 211 is greater, so its sign is of positive. So now I have to make x as a subject in order to find out the variable, that is x. So but x is multiplied with 14, that is positive. So to remove or to eliminate, I have to divide either side by means of 14. So now 14x entirely divided by 14. Similarly 252 entirely divided by 14. Here I have utilized one more step, that is by dividing. In order to cancel up 14 and 14, I have divided both sides by means of 14. So here the logical step which I have utilized is by dividing both the sides by 14. So here 14 ones and 14 ones gets cancelled as here. Then now here by 2, so 2 sevens is 14, then now 2 ones is 2, then now 2 twos is of 4, 1 is left over as a carry, so 12, so 2 6 are. Then now with 7 ones is 7, 7 ones is of 7, then now here 5 is left over, 56, 7 8 is of 56. So in this manner I say I got, so x ones is of x on the left hand side, that is equals to 18 divided by 1 is nothing but 18. So in this manner I say I got x as 18. So here therefore x is equals to 18 is the root of the given equation. So here x is equals to 18, this root must satisfy the entire equation. In order to see whether it satisfies or not, let us go for the verification part. So in our verification, that is x is equals to 18 as the root, let us put or let us substitute x is equals to 18 in the given equation, that is x minus 3 entirely divided by 5 plus x minus 4 entirely divided by 7 is equals to 6 minus of 2x minus 1 overall divided by 35. So here at x is equals to 18, let us substitute, the given equation will be of, so wherever x is there, then x must be replaced by means of 18. So 18 x minus 3, that is x replaced by 18 minus 3 overall divided by 5 plus x replaced by 18, so 18 minus 4 overall divided by 7, that is equals to 6 minus of, so 2 into x, that is 2 into x is of 18 minus 1 overall divided by 35. That implies 18 minus 3 is of 15 divided by 5 plus 18 minus 4 is of 14 overall divided by 7 is equals to 6 minus within bracket 18 2s is of 36 minus 1 written as it is divided by 35. That implies 5 ones, 5 3s are here, then 7 ones, 7 2s here, then only 3 plus 2 is left over on the left hand side, then that is equals to 6 minus within bracket 36 minus 1, 36 minus 1 is of 35 overall divided by 35. So here 35 gets cancelled once, so that implies 3 plus 2 is equals to 5 on the left hand side, that is equals to 6 minus 1 is of 5 on the right hand side, 5 is equals to 5, the condition is true. Since the condition is true, hence it is verified.